To edit the main banner slides on the home page, which appear just here, what you need to do is log into the control panel, and you'll notice down the left hand side that you've got the option of slides. If you expand that, you've got two options: to edit existing slides, which is just the slides button, or to add new. So basically, if you want to edit one that already exists, if you select the slides option, you'll be taken through to the slides main landing page. On there you'll see there's two options there, and they're basically both the slides that appear there already, and also the running order. So the first slide, which is the picture of the woman, if you click on the actual slide itself, you'll be taken to the editor window. Now on the editor window you'll notice that there's nothing in the main content area. That's because the slide itself is just an image. So first thing you need to do is actually put a title in for the slide. And then what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom. You've got something called Swatch Custom Settings, and you'll notice that there's a URL in there, an actual thumbnail of an image. Now to upload a new one, if you just click the upload button, you've got a number of different options once this menu appears on the screen. You've got the option from the computer, so you can actually find the image that's on your hard drive, from a URL, which I advise not using, media gallery, and the media library. Basically these are ones if you've already uploaded the image and you want to reuse it again, you can actually just reselect it from there. Best thing that I advise on this is to actually always upload the file again, because then you know you're getting the right version of things. So if you click select files, look for an image on your system, and if you select the open button, and you'll see there's a progress bar that tells you when the actual upload has been completed. Once it has been completed, what you will get is a little thumbnail there showing what the image will look like, and you've got something called the title, which basically if you just put anything in there, so I'll just put test for the time being, and alternate text. You need to insert basically a quick description about what the image is, so it's that one. The caption and description you just leave blank, and the link URL you need to select the button that says none. So that basically just clears the field that you had there. Then if you keep all the settings exactly the same as they are there, you'll notice down the bottom here you've got two options. You've got use as featured image and also insert into post. What you need to do is we need to use both of them options. So you need to click on use on featured image first, and then if you click insert into post as a secondary measure as well. That'll close the window down, and you'll notice that two images have changed. So the thumbnail that was there of the girl, that's changed now, and that's our new slide. And also you'll notice that the feature image here has changed as well. These two need to match for it to actually appear on the home page. Once that's done, if you scroll back to the top of the page, you've got something called attributes, which allows you to change the running order of this. So if you wanted this as the first slide, you put 1. If you wanted it as the 5th slide, you press 5. Once that's all been done, what you've got in the top right hand corner, update button. So if you select on the update button, that will actually save the banner itself, and that will be it for actually updating the banner itself. To add a link to the banner, what you need to do is find the page you want to link to. So for example, if we wanted to add this banner to the price list page, we'd go up to the address bar, copy that URL, or put any URL that you want, and if you go back to the control panel, slide down to the bottom of the page, you'll notice underneath where you've just inserted that image is the option called URL. If you paste your URL into that field there, scroll to the top and update it again. Once that's done, that'll update it on the home page, so you'll be able to click through and see the banner change.